Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new, you're most definitely welcome, and I hope you are going to stay and stick around and enjoy this video. And when you finish watching the video, please, or maybe before you start, I'm going to give you a second to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and hit your notification bell, so with that you'll be notified. You'll be the first to notify that I have a brand new video on my channel, and also you'll be the first to comment. I know you guys like my video, you come and watch and you don't leave a comment and you don't subscribe and you don't give me a thumbs up. Like, seriously, don't be greedy. You need to show me some love, okay? Thank you. If you're my old subscriber, what's up, one love, big time for real. So I'm coming up to you with a get ready with me, which is a date night out makeup, and I'm really loving the way this look turned out too. I'm looking super snatched, like seriously, with a sleek long hair and with a turtleneck. What I was not saying, what I was not thinking, what I was not commenting. Today guys, I'm not really in my 100% sharp active mood. Reason being, I have a running stomach through day all day, so it has taken a lot of energy away from me. But don't worry, I got your back, okay? I'm not going to disappoint you. Okay guys, enough of the rambling. If you're interested, you're going to watch this video, how I come up with this look and the outfit. You already know what to do, just you can enjoy. Guys, you comment, you don't like, I know, show me some love, okay? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you all in my next video. I'm going to start up to do my eyebrow before I start my eye makeup, to, you know, switch up the technique just a little bit, okay, so it don't get boring all the time, you get me? I'm going to set my eyebrow before using shower buttercup before I go in with the eye cosmetic powder brush. I'm just going to set my eyebrow gently. My brow is doing quite good at the moment. So guys, to do my eyebrow, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in Ebony. So yes, anyways, I'm going to start to fill in my brow. To fill in the empty space, I'm going to be taking the Bentfit brow zings in number 6. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. So to define my brow, I'm going to be taking the Loreal Infallible More Than Concealer, and it's also a very full coverage and it dries very fast as well. So I'm just going to be taking this brush. I'm going to use it to clean under my brow. On top, I'm going to be using my foundation. This brush that has no name. So to clean on top of my brow, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty foundation in 420. I use to clean under my brow bone. I'm going to use this as a base. I'm just going to use my beauty blender just to do extra smoothness. I'm not going to be setting, trust me. So yes, taking this Essence palette, this is what I'm going to use to add this palette. The reason why I just love this palette, it has a lot of green texture. Yeah, you have your super dark green, you have your medium to dark green, and you also have your kind of gray green, and you also have your light green. So I really love this palette. I really love the color, and the pigment is crazy, is insane. So I can't wait to apply it on my eyelid. Check this out, check this out. This color is calling me as a transition color. Magnificent brush. I'm just going to be taking this shade. I'm just going to apply, you see that, I'm just going to be applying that direct on my cream. Wow, it's beautiful. Like I said, out the corner before I start blending, okay? So yes, burgundy shade, this one right here. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to apply that exactly on top of that light purple. You can see the transition color, you can see the transit already. Wow, we are forming a very Very, very beautiful crease color. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm taking this light orange shade. I'm going to use it to blend out the edges. I'm going to leave that palette for now. For the second palette, I'm going to be taking the Revolution Royal Affair palette. I'm going to start up with this. I'm taking a smaller brush, Luxe Petit Crease brush. I'm taking this shade right here. That on my crease as well. Silver Petit Crease brush. I'm taking this shade right here. This one is a very dark green. Dark green. I'm just going to dab it as well on my outer corner. Cut our crease, cut. Brush. I'm just going to massage it at the back of my hand. What's that powder? I'm just going to massage it so we don't have any patchiness. I don't know why when I'm doing my makeup I always love to start from this. I don't know why I'm used to it, so I just noticed it's a while now. Okay, but it's all good. I'm used to it already. Two shades together to, you know, kind of blend out the edges. As you can see me doing, I'm not blending, I'm just dabbing. Taking this green, are you guys seeing that? The green, honey, the green. I'm going to start from my middle lid, okay? Wow, it's a beautiful color, beautiful. This lighter green on my inner corner. Whoa, beautiful. You see that it's just lighting my inner corner. When I apply on my mobile lid, it's coming out telling me that she's a glitter, okay? And I can imagine how it's going to look when I apply the glitter primer. But anyways, next time. But for now, I'm feeling the look already. So under my eye and go in and start doing my face, okay? To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Bentfit the Professional Matte Rescue. So I'm going to set my face. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Loreal foundation stick, and the shade of this one is Toffee Caramel. I'm going to mix it with my Milani. I'm going to be applying flat buffer brush. Let me start from my chin area. Then my skin finish in dark deep before I go in with the highlight and contour, others jobs, you know. Of course, you guys know I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer in the shade Honey. I'm going to use it to cut my eye and contour. You guys know the deal. I'm going to be using the Revolution Concealer in the shade F16. Using this Catrice contour brush. I have this brush I think for years now. Anytime I bring it out to use it, I'm so scared, but today let's give it a try. No harm in trying in life, okay? So let's do this. Maybe I don't like it, reason being is too short for my liking, when it comes to makeup applicator, I'm sorry, it must be perfect, guys. It must be perfect. I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation brush just to blend everything together for any harsh line. So yes.
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical.
Using the Guerlain terracotta bronzer in ebony. So yes, I'm still going to be using my Catrice brush. So to blush my cheeks, I'm going to be, to add more dimension and color to my cheeks, I'm going to be taking this Catrice limited edition blush ombre. Use this technique. Oh, stay there, stay there. You know this blush, let me tell you a little bit secret about this blush. This blush right here, when you apply on your brush and you think there is nothing, but trust me, the pigment is insane. So the first time I use this blush, it has been a while now, I was just thinking, wow, wait, it's not coming. But when I keep applying, I check myself properly, I was looking like one old granny. So ever since, when I'm using it, I'm always very light. I'm always very soft-handed. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner, and I'm going to be taking this 6 Plus eyeliner brush. What I'm going to be doing before the gel liner dries up, I'm going to go ahead and take this green right here. This one, I'm just going to apply it on top. Basically applying it on top. If the eyeliner dries out, it's not going to get tacky. Guys, I'm obsessed, okay? Obsession is an understatement. I'm dying for this look. I'm living for this. So guys, as you can see, we did quite a lot of camera. I went ahead and do my bottom lashes, which is the second one, and I went ahead and lined my upper liner and apply my first lashes. And this is the first time I'm wearing these lashes. I'm loving it. Super dramatic, and at the same time I'm loving how it just transfer the whole eye look. So yeah, right now what we are going to be doing, I'm going to be highlighting my cheeks. I'm going to be popping to you guys, you know, and I'm going to be taking this Caile Bible, this shade right here. I'm just going to let me start from my chin. You see that? Mercury green, this one right here. I'm just going to apply that on my inner corner. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, guys. This silver color right here, I'm just going to pop that on top, and let's see how the drama turns to. I can leave it like that, you can go like that, but I'm extra, okay? When it comes to makeup, I'm extra. Yes, honey, that is what we are talking about. It just brings light. lights, extra lights. I'm going to be setting my brow using my Alvida transparent brow gel. I'm going to go ahead and set my face before I apply my bottom mascara. I'm going to be using Urbandecay All Nighter Setting Spray, just a very tiny bit. I'm going to be taking the Bentfit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline lip liner in copper brown. One small shine, I'm going to be taking the Dior lip gloss, and this one is a 413. It's going to spice it up. I'm going to take the excess away. Yes. Now we are safe to talk without no lipstick on our teeth. That's pretty much it for the makeup tutorial. Please just stay tuned for the outfit, okay? I'll be coming around, okay? Gravitate.